Once you connect Gemini to Google Calendar, you can check your schedule, create events, and make changes, all just by typing. Here's how to set it up. Go to gemini.google.com, click Settings and Help in the bottom left, then click Connected Apps. Find Google Workspace and turn it on. Once it's connected, you'll see Google Calendar listed right underneath it, along with Gmail, Drive, and the rest of your Workspace apps. One connection covers all of them. Now go back to Homepage and open a new chat. Type at Google Calendar to tell Gemini exactly which app to use. Then ask your question. I'll type, "What events do I have coming up this week?" Hit send and wait a moment. Gemini pulls straight from your calendar and lists what's coming up. And the source link below takes you directly to Google Calendar to verify. You can also create events the same way. I'll type, at Google Calendar, add a meeting called Weekly Review this Friday at 10 a.m. Hit send again and wait. Done. The event is in your calendar. You'll see a link to open it directly in Google Calendar, and an undo button appears briefly if you need to reverse it. That's it. Settings, extensions, turn on Google Workspace, use a Google Calendar in your prompt, and Gemini has full access to your schedule. Works on web and mobile. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.